In today's video, I am sharing with you guys new arrivals from Walmart for winter, and I'm telling you guys, a lot of these are hidden gems. So like always, everything will be linked down below in the description box. You easily can shop the complete pieces, and then I also will have it pinned, all the links pinned as the top comment in the comment section as well. So get ready. We have lots of accessories, some coats, we have some just like staple pieces you'll get to wear a ton this season. But Walmart is selling out very quickly. So if you see something you love, I definitely would add it to your cart and check out. I mean, they've been 10 out of 10 recently. So one of the trending viral winter coats is the Orale winter jacket, and it is well over $150. I am literally shook by this look for less that I found. Under $26 on Walmart. Comes in a bunch of different color options, and I'm telling you guys, it's so comparable. The quality on it's really nice. It does have a zip function here, as well as two zips here on this side. So two extra pockets here, has pockets on this side as well as in the front here. And what's also great about this coat is the fact that it has a zip here on the side. So if you're wearing like a chunky sweater, you want to just have a little bit more room here, maybe you're expecting, it just has it all, and it keeps you so warm. I love that it has the little sleeve detail here that helps keep the cold air out. It has a hood, which is great. I love the mixed media. As you can see, it's kind of like a Sherpa detail, just a regular coat detail going on here, but you cannot go wrong with some winter whites. You guys know my love for free assembly denim, so if you're looking for a skinny style jean, you cannot go wrong with this pair. Under $30, I think this is my third winter wearing these. They are so amazing. They wash and wear really well. The knees have not busted open, and I love them paired with this light wash like Chelsea boot. They have a memory foam padding on the inside, which makes them incredibly comfortable. The boots do run true to size, come in more color options, and I love the fact that it's like a sock style, so you can do an easy slip pull on, or you can utilize the zipper on the side as well. I love a good fold over turtleneck slim fit as a go-to layering piece during the cooler months. This one is under $14 from Walmart. Comes in about 3 to 4 other color options. It is this really nice quality ribbed material. So this is definitely going to be a fabric that is going to wash and wear well. You can wear this with workwear, tuck it into some black slacks. I just have it paired with the same free assembly denim and Chelsea boots. And since I'm like 26 weeks pregnant, I cannot zip up the button, but trust me when I tell you guys, this is one of my most worn pair of denim jeans. They're just a go-to, super stretchy and comfortable, but also hold their shape. This top is available in sizes extra small through 2XL. I'm wearing my true to size small, and it has a good amount of stretch to it. If you're like me and you're like, I'm not about super bulky jackets, guys, this one looks so similar to the J. Crew one, but for a fraction of the price. It is more of a mid-weight jacket. So it is a little bit of a lighter material, but has that gorgeous kind of J. Crew style quilted design, functional snap buttons the whole way down the front. But I love the fact that it has little like drawstrings right here that you can kind of cinch it in. So it's one of those coats that is very flattering. If you live in an area where it's not quite so cold, this would be a really great option. But just in general, it's a really great coat to keep in your wardrobe for days that maybe aren't quite so cold that you would need maybe the white jacket that I had just shared earlier. So it is available in sizes extra small through 3X, wearing true to size small. It does have pockets on the side as well. And I also really love this one as a really great workwear option. So this is one you can definitely dress up a little bit. I just have it paired with my go-to under $20 faux leather leggings. I prefer these to my Spanx faux leather leggings. I think they're more comfortable. They wash and wear so well, and then I completed the look with some black Chelsea boots this time instead. Here is a really cool find I found on Walmart's website under $19. It comes with this little leopard style kind of cloth bag. It comes in 4 other color options, but it's basically like a travel must-have. So it comes with a scrunchie that's matched matching. Comes with an eye mask, so you can wear this, you know, if you're sensitive to light, you're used to blackout curtains. Usually when you travel, you never know, or you can use this on the plane. And it also comes with a pair of really, really cozy high socks. So comes in this cute little bag all together. It could just be like a go-to piece that you throw in your suitcase or your weekender bag whenever you go to travel. And this would just be like a really fun, thoughtful gift idea that you could gift to someone, throw in a gift card in there, and you're good to go. When you're feeling like your classic cable knit sweaters just aren't doing it, you definitely are gonna wanna opt for this chenille sweater. Under $19, it is the softest, just like buttery soft material. Really, really nice quality. Does feature a turtleneck here, but I really like this style because it doesn't like really hug your neck. It kind of just sits really nicely. My hair does not react or get staticky to it. Comes in about 3-4 other color options, available in sizes extra small through 3X, and I'm wearing my true to size small here. Paired it with some jeans, but I have the perfect accessory. And you can opt to throw on this little crossbody bag by the brand Time and True, under $25. I love just a simple, neutral, classic crossbody bag that I can pair with all different looks. This one is it. It has this really nice kind of faux leather style with gorgeous gold accents. You guys know me, I only pretty much ever wear gold jewelry, so I love the black and the gold. It does come in 3 other color options though. You can use it, a little handle here. It does have an extra pocket in the back, which is really nice, an adjustable strap that's comfortable. You just pull the little lock down to release it, and there is a ton of room. So you're definitely gonna be able to fit all of your accessories in here while staying on budget and on trend. When it's cold outside, I love just a classic sweater dress. Now this one is great because it's gonna be really versatile. So again, there's lots of ways that you can layer and style this. I wanted to show you kind of the design of it. It is 42 inches from the top to the bottom, so it's a really great longer style. My suggestion, if you're more petite, is you could throw on like a thin belt around the center and just kind of like pull it up a little bit, and that would be adorable as well. You obviously could layer this with throw on a denim jacket with this. You can throw on a vest. There's just lots of ways to switch it up, but I like the dress so much, I actually got it in the cream color as well. It's a really nice soft fabric. Love the stripe detailing going on. Available in sizes extra small through 3X, and I'm wearing my true to size small. As you can see, it is that really nice fitted style, very flattering, so it'd be a great, you know, casual date night, church outfit, or workwear option. Even if it's chilly outside, I still like to have a few staple like white basic tops, and I love this one because it's flowy. So it has a really nice flutter sleeve. It's kind of like that quarter button style. It's longer. It's available in sizes extra small through 3X. I'm wearing my true size small here, and you can see it's plenty long, great to wear with leggings as it covers the bum. It's also a really great piece to easily front tuck, which I love. You can grab this top for under $14, which I just feel like is such an incredible deal. Now I would throw on a denim jacket over top of this, and then just some little white sneakers for just an everyday winter outfit. Free Assembly came out with a gorgeous cable knit sweater. It comes in this gorgeous navy blue, also comes in your basic cream and a red, and I just love it. It's gonna be a sweater you're gonna go to over and over again. I just have it paired with some straight jeans. If I wasn't pregnant, I definitely would front tuck this in. Again, it's a piece you can throw a layer on top of. Now, as far as sizing, it is available in sizes extra small through 3X, and I actually size up to a large on this one. I wanted the more oversized fit, and I got that with sizing up 2 sizes. Otherwise, if you want it to be a little bit more of a fitted, like tighter sweater, I would just go with your true to size. But also a sweater you can style with some business casual work looks. And I just love cable knit sweaters. I love that it's just like a simple sweater but has such a gorgeous design on it, and it's easy to throw on. I am all about just an easy, effortless tunic that you can throw on under $20 from Walmart. It comes in 3 other color options. It's that really nice lightweight jersey material, Henley style. Of course, I went with the cream, and it matches perfectly with the boots, and it paired that same crossbody bag with it. Wearing true to size small, it comes in sizes extra small through 3X. Now, ideally, I would have my pants buttoned and I would front tuck this, but since I am pregnant, I just wear it loose loose, but I love that it's a really nice kind of stretchy, breathable fabric. And this is a great piece that you can layer a vest over top of and just layer depending on how cold it is outside. But it's just a great staple. If you enjoyed today's video, let me know down below in the comment section which was your favorite item or which you're most excited about. I mean, weren't these pieces so good? If you haven't already and you don't want to miss any future Walmart videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you get first access to the new Walmart finds, and I hope to see you all next time. Bye.